As you know, every year we are celebrating globally this day on 12th May. This year also we are going to celebrate, although we are in a lockdown situation, but this year 2020 is a special year for all of us because this year is designated as the year of the nurse and midwife. And this year we are celebrating 200 years of birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale. That is wonderful thing that we are going to celebrate this day. So as WHO and ICN has set a very relevant theme regarding this, and the theme is Nurses, a voice to lead, nursing the world to health, because they want to tell around the world the true values of nurses. They want to tell about the nursing profession. So it is an exciting thing that now in this 2020 people are going to know about us all. So here I would like to say about the 2020 years, as we all are fighting with this contagious COVID-19. So I'm being a nursing leader, I would like to appreciate you, want to respect you and want to honor you for your hard work as you are working with a COVID patient. So here, if you are working with a COVID patient, we are getting a new names because we are working hard with COVID patients. We are leaving behind our emotions, families and our health. So we are getting very good names like soldiers, warriors, angels. So don't worry, God is with us. Let's pray for each other's health and well-being so that as we are doing already, and we can continue the same to protect ourselves as well as to the humanity from the COVID patients. So once again I would like to say Happy Nurses Day to all of you and thank you for your contribution in this. Thank you.
Happy Nurses Day to all. So this year I am very proud to be part of the COVID nursing team. And as per every year, the ICN gives us a nursing theme to celebrate Nurses Day. This year, it is about putting the theme into practice. As we are celebrating this day and handling the COVID pandemic, a voice to lead, we are really putting the theme into practice and nursing the world to health. So I am very blessed to have a dedicated COVID nursing team, and I pray for them, for their well-being, and I wish all of you Happy Nurses Day.
I must say that I feel proud that I am a nurse. I am thankful to my CMC administration and management who has given me an opportunity to work during this COVID crisis. And I must say that all our patients, when they visit the hospital, they all are screened. And even our nurses as well as all healthcare workers, they are well protected by providing the full PPE kit. So again, I feel blessed, proud and happy that I'm a nurse. So again, I want to wish you Happy Nurses Day to all of you. Thank you so much.